Now you understand this thing? Frictional F is equal to mu s into N is not a right answer. Generally, we apply. There is a this
Yes, sir.
value is you make it in bold letters 0 less than or equal to Fs less than or equal to Fs max. Zero less than or equal to Us into. You got this? Why do I
Yes,
want
sir.
to say this is? Suppose there is almari, almari or almari. What do you call this in Tamil?
Almari.
Almari. In Tamil?
Yes, sir.
Tamil also almari. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose, assume, first I'm not giving you the details. Consider this F mu s into N formula to be suppose 100 newtons. Okay. I'm assuming just,
Yes, sir.
I don't know the exact details. But now you apply force on this of 50 newtons. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, do you think friction will act as 100 newtons? Hassan? Hassan? Hassan, can you hear me? Hassan? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you think, can you hear me clearly?
I don't think it will act as 100 newtons.
Huh? Ah, if it acts as 100 newtons, the actual almari should go in the left side direction, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes.
almari will be at rest. That means what? Net force
Yes.
should be zero. That means how much force friction might be acting?
15 newtons.
50. If you apply 50, 50. If you apply 20, it will be 20.
20.
If you apply
Yes, sir.
at rest, the condition is at rest. Rest means what friction is acting?
Yes.
Which friction is acting?
Static friction.
Static friction is acting. How much it will act?
Yes, sir.
It depends. Suppose if you are not applying any force, how much friction is acting?
0.
So it can be 0, it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, it cannot be 101.
Yes, sir.
If you apply 101 force, the moment 100 you apply, it starts sliding.
Yes, sir.
Then 101, 102, it starts accelerating. That means it will start moving. It will start moving. That means that friction, static friction value will vary from that 0 to the maximum frictional value. This is also called as limiting friction. Students, instead of limiting friction, they directly mu s into n, mu s into n, they apply. I have applied also number of times when I am preparing for my exams in the initial stages. And I have learned this wonderful mistake
Yes, sir.
after a lot of mistakes. This varies. It can be 0 also. Kinetic friction, there will not be any confusion. If there is a relative motion, sliding is going on, slipping is happening, tendency to slip, it not. If it is slipping is if you're short, knowing that it's slipping, then mu k into n we can apply. But, Hassan, but if it is not slipping,
Yes, sir.
we cannot directly apply mu s into n. Only in limiting cases we can apply, limiting cases. That extreme cases only we can apply this formula. Otherwise, static friction can be from anything, 0 to that mu s into n. This is a wonderful point, okay? You need to take a note out of it.
Okay, sir.
Then,
Yes, sir.
kinetic friction does not confuse you, but static friction actually will create a lot of confusion inside you. Almari's example is one of the standard example that I give in the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's called also called as limiting friction.
Yes, sir.
And this mu is there, mu s, mu n, mu k. Mu k is coefficient of kinetic friction. Mu s is coefficient of
Negative.
static friction.
Static friction.
In general, in examiner, if doesn't particularly mention about both of them, you take it to be mu s is equal to mu k. There's no special mention.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, generally mu s
Yes,
is
sir.
greater than mu k. Okay. This Fs
Yes, sir.
max is proportional to normal reaction. That Fs max is equal to mu into n. Okay. Mu s into n.
Yes, sir.
That is limiting friction. That is also called as. Important note is what? 0 less than or equal to Fs less than or equal to mu s into n, or otherwise limiting
Yes, sir.
static friction. Okay. General purposes, mu s is greater
Yes.
than or equal to mu k. And if someone asks you, will static friction greater than kinetic friction?
Yes, sir.
Static friction will mu s is greater than or equal to mu k, I told. That doesn't mean static friction is greater than kinetic friction. Static friction can be 0 also, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
The misconception you should not have. Fs max will be greater than or equal to Fk. Fs
Yes,
max
sir.
is what? Limiting friction. Limiting friction will be greater than or equal to kinetic friction, but not static friction. Static friction can be anything, isn't it? I taught you. It can be 0, it can be 10, it can be 20. In that case, Almari example, it can be 100 also.
Yes, sir.
Did you get this, or should I explain it more?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
People will have another confusion. Static friction is greater than kinetic friction. No, it is not required that static friction is greater than kinetic friction.
Yes, sir.
But limiting friction will be greater than or equal to kinetic friction. Generally greater than in real cases. That's why initially to push the Almari, you need to apply a lot of force. Once the Almari starts moving after the interlocks open, it becomes easier, isn't it? Bit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now if question is asked like this, in case 10 kg block, same 10 kg block kept like this, same 10 kg block kept like this. So here material is same block like this, it is changed on the floor. In which case friction will be higher?
First case.
No, actually. In three of the cases, normal reaction remains same. So the friction.
Sir, it does not depend on area of contact, sir.
No. Here, no. In viscosity
Okay.
and all, there will be. But here it is not. It will depend upon normal reaction.
Okay, sir.
Normal reaction will remain same. All the three cases.
Yes.
Friction does not depend upon surface area. Here. In viscosity, again, area
Okay.
will come into picture. Layers of contact.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
what shall we do? Shall we solve a problem? I will give you a question. Will you? Suppose there is a car. There is a truck. Okay. Which is going forward with 5 meters per second square acceleration. Okay. There's a
Yes.
block kept here. The block mass is 10 kg. And this surface is rough. And you tell me, find the nature of frictional force if the block is not slipping. If the block is not slipping with respect to the truck.
So nature means they're asking if it's static or kinetic, sir.
Static or kinetic, and magnitude also. How much friction is acting there?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So it's kinetic friction, sir.
Is it so? You tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you said the answer is.
Okay, sir, it's static, sir.
That's nice. Why? Because it is in motion, but is in
Both are in relative motion. Yes, sir.
relative. There's no relative motion here happening.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There's no slipping happening. The answer is static friction.
Yes, sir.
How much will be the static?
Yes, sir. $50.
50, right? You can solve in two types. One way is in what is this? So with pseudo force. Why? If you sit here, the block is at rest, isn't it? On the truck.
Yes, sir.
But if you're sitting here, you are a non-inertial frame of reference, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
On the block, what are the forces? One is mg downwards, 10g. One is normal reaction upwards.
Yes, sir.
And there will be, if you are sitting on this truck, you are in non-inertial frame of reference. That means there should be a pseudo force. It should be opposite to the direction of acceleration that you are in. So that means this direction, pseudo force, FPS. So if pseudo force, what is the
Yes, sir.
magnitude of pseudo force? I'll later on write. So if the block is trying to slip in the left side direction, the friction should be acting in
Right, sir.
right direction. So what is the friction? Because it is at rest, that means it will be static friction. How much will it be? It is not mu s into n. Students will search for this formula. But where is mu s into n? Where is mu s
Yes,
given
sir.
in the question? Not required. You see this question. So the block to be at rest, according to this boy sitting on the truck, the net force should be 0.
Yes, sir.
Left side force is equal to right side force, upward force is equal to downward force. That means N is equal to 100 newtons, 10Z. So FPS is equal to static frictional force. What is FPS? Mass of the block, that is 10, into acceleration of the frame of reference is how much? 5.
5.
That is equal to frictional force. That is equal to 50 newtons is the answer.
Yes, sir.
If the same question, if I give some students, what will they do? Mu s is equal to, if I give 0.6, you know what will be the answer given there in options? 16 newtons also they will give answer. Some students will directly remember the formula, because if examiner has an opportunity in some places to confuse students and get the wrong answer possible, trick the students. And this is one area where he can trick you. So 0.6 into 100, how much will happen?
Yes, sir.
16 newtons is the answer, isn't it?
60.
Your answer option will be given as
Yes,
first
sir.
option, 16 newtons. Now you
Yes.
will answer, because now only I taught you. But after 2 years, generally, after the exam time, you will remember only formulas. Okay, 0.6 into 100 is 60 newtons, isn't it?
Yes.
Is there a possibility or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is one area where examiner can trick you. Definitely, if I am an examiner, I'll try to trick you.
Yes.
There's another 10 kg here. 100 newtons acting at an angle 37 degrees. Mu s is equal to 0.4. Mu k is equal to 0.3. Then question is, what is limiting friction and what is kinetic friction here in this case? Okay, you tell me. Actually, how much will it move or not? What friction will act there? You tell me all the information.
Sir, it won't move.
Won't move. Okay.
You solve this by resolving into components. Sir.
Okay. First, tell me what is a normal reaction here. Your first test is what is a normal reaction? We'll see limiting and kinetic. We'll see later on. A normal reaction is very important generally. What is a normal reaction here? For normal reaction to be found out, you need to draw free body diagram. You draw the free body diagram and tell me what is a normal reaction there.
Yes, sir.
Is the normal reaction 100 newtons?
No, sir.
No, that's awesome. Generally, students again make this. N is equal to mg.
Yes, sir.
That's not the answer.
10G, sir, not.
Huh? N is 10g, you want to say.
Normal reaction.
That means normal reaction is 10g, you
Yes,
want to
sir.
say. Is it, Hassan?
Yes, sir.
But actually, that's another mistake. So I'll draw the free body diagram here, okay?
Yes, sir.
On the block, there will be, I don't know this, okay. To draw the block. 10z downwards. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Normal reaction upwards.
Yes, sir.
This force 100 newtons means I can resolve it into two components. 100 cos 37 in the right side direction. Cos 37 is how much?
Four by 5. Yes,
4
sir.
by 5.
Yes, sir.
That means 80 newtons in right side direction. 80 I cap. Okay. That's equal to 80 newtons. Then this 100 sin 37 will be in this direction or not? Upward. Huh? 100 I resolved it into two components. One is cos 37, one is sin 37. Cos 31 is 37 is horizontal
Yes,
component. Sin 37 is vertical component. 100 sin 37 is 3 by
Yes.
5. That means 60 newtons in the upward direction, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now the block is tending to go towards right. So friction will be left side direction. Tendency. Not apply. Here tendency to go right because only horizontal force right side is acting. Left side there will be frictional force.
Yes, sir.
So now you see here, because it is not moving up and down, that means there is no vertical motion. That means vertical equilibrium. Net force in vertical direction, F net y direction should be 0. That means upward force should be equal to
Downward.
downward. N plus 60 should be equal to 100 newtons. That means N is equal to 40 newtons. I told you normal force is a self-adjusting force. How much required that it will give? Here only 40 newtons is required, normal
Okay.
force, to make the block to be at the rest. So normal will be 40 newtons. Isn't it? Did it
Yes.
easy or not? N is equal to mg is
Yes,
correct
sir.
answer. Yeah?
Yes,
Is it?
sir.
No, you found this trick. Here students will actually make a mistake. Did you find it out? How to
Yes, sir.
solve normal reaction? In
Yes,
majority
sir.
of our cases, N has become mg. That doesn't mean N is equal to mg.
Okay, sir.
Next case. So now, N we found out. What is mu s? Mu s into N, that is 0.4 into N is 40 is 16 newtons. What is mu k? 0.3 into 40, that is equal to 12 newtons. You got it? This is Fs
Yes, sir.
max, limiting friction. This is Fk. Is this static friction? If someone asks you, in this case, it is okay. If force
Sir?
is given, can you see?
Yes, sir.
It is not static friction, limiting
Yes,
friction.
sir.
16 newtons is not static friction. Another mistake that students does. 16 newtons is limiting friction. That means static friction maximum value.
Yes, sir.
This 12 Newton is the kinetic friction. Here there is no confusion. But in 16 is the maximum value of static friction.
Yes, sir.
Supposing here actually the block will move or not. Horizontally, how much force is acting? 80 newtons. So what is the
Yes,
maximum friction that friction can offer? 16.
Yes, sir.
That means the block will go in right side direction. The moment it starts slipping, which force will act? So
Friction.
which friction? Kinetic or static?
Static.
After slipping, because here 80 newtons is there, here static maximum is 16, so definitely it will start slipping. The moment it starts slipping, which friction
Yes,
will
sir.
act? Which friction?
Kinetic field.
How much it will act?
12 newtons.
12 newtons. The answer is 80 minus 12 is equal to mass into acceleration, that is 10 into acceleration. That is how much? 68 is equal to 10 into acceleration. The acceleration is 6.8 meter per second square is the correct answer. And the friction acting here is kinetic friction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you found out
Yes, sir.
where suppose another question. This is 10 kg, same question. This is mu s is again same. Mu s is equal to 0.4, mu k is equal to 0.3. Okay, here normal reaction we don't know. If in the same question, if I'm just trying to create a situation, one situation, just I want you to answer. Suppose here this component has come as 15 newtons. This component is friction maximum value is how much we got already? Static friction maximum value is 16 newtons. Kinetic friction
16
maximum value is
newtons.
12 newtons. Same. I'm hypothetically I'm creating a situation in front of you.
Yes, sir.
So now the horizontal force is how much? 15 newtons.
Yes, sir.
Will the block move or not?
Horizontal static 16. Yes, sir. It will move, sir.
It will not move because till the block will not move, the friction will act as static friction. How much is static friction maximum value? Limiting value.
16.
But till it reaches 16, it will not move.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Matlab like almari has
Yes,
to
sir,
be
yes, sir.
drawn. First static friction you have to supersede.
Yes, sir.
Block is at rest initially. If it is in motion, it's okay. Directly it will move. Already in motion, it is okay. If it is at rest, to bring it out of rest with respect to that surface, you need to apply limiting friction, static friction, that is 16 newtons here.
Yes, sir.
The moment you apply 16 newtons, it starts moving.
Yes, sir,
Just
yes, sir.
16.000, it starts moving. So assume this is acting to be 16 newtons for suppose 16 newtons it acts, it started moving. So now what is the acceleration of this block?
So will it be 6.8 meter per second again, sir?
No, actually 16 newtons here it is acting. 16, if it's 16, just crossing 16, just it starts moving. That means 16, when it starts moving, which friction will act? Till 16, it will not move. The moment 16, it touches 16, just it starts moving. After moving, what will act? Kinetic friction will act. 12 newtons. That means 16 minus 12 is equal to 10 into A. That is 4 is equal to 10 into A. That A is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. You got it?
Yes, sir.
I told 16 here, 16.
Yes, sir.
So you understand the situation. First, if you are applying 0 newtons, the frictional force acting is how much ever may be mu s, how much ever may be mu k. The answer is 0.
Yes, sir.
Slowly, if you are acting, suppose in this case, in case simple case, I'll try to give you to make you understand. 4 kg, just to make you that clear with the fundamental. 4 kg. So the force acting here is 16 Newton. So that means mu s is equal to 0.4, mu k is equal to 0.3. So that means 40. Here simple. Here the case is directly force is acting horizontally. Normal will be equal to 40 newtons. Okay.
Yes, sir.
4g.
Yes, sir.
Normal is equal to 40 newtons in this simple case. Now mu s into n is how much? 0.4 into 40, that is 16 newtons. Fs max. Mu k into n is how much? 12 newtons. Now here, if you apply 0 newtons, the friction will act to be 0 newtons. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you're applying 0 newtons, friction is how much? 0. Which friction is acting? Static friction is acting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you're applying 2 newtons, examiner will ask you, what when I apply 2 newtons, what is the acceleration of the block? Students will directly answer this one. 2 is equal to 4 into A. So answer is 0.5 meter per second square. That is wrong. You got it?
Yes, sir.
How much friction is acting here? Is it 12 or is it 16?
12.
It will act to be 2. Here it will not come into motion only. You did not understand, right?
No, sir.
The static friction maximum value is 16. That means static friction will lie between 0 less than or equal to Fs less than or equal to Fs max.
Yes, sir.
0 less than or equal to Fs less than or equal to Fs max. That means 0 less than or equal to Fs less than or equal to 16 newtons. Static friction value will lie between 0 and 16. If you apply 0 newtons here, static friction will be 0. If you apply 2 newtons here, static friction will be 2. If you apply 4
Okay.
newtons here, static friction will be 4. If you apply 10 newtons here, static will be 10.
Yes, sir.
Static is nothing but that frictional force acting on the block. If you apply 12 here, you might think 12. No. If you apply 12 here, the static friction will be 12. If you apply 13 here, static friction will be 13.
Yes, sir.
If you apply 14, static will be 14. If you apply 15, friction will be 15. If you apply 16, friction will be 16. If you apply just 16, just above 16, immediately the block starts moving and this 12 Newton will act as friction. You got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me, are you clear with this or not? The moment it just crosses 16,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
it starts moving. The moment it starts moving, kinetic friction comes into act. Static disappears.
Yes, sir.
If question is given as 20 newtons, how much friction will act? It is not 16, 12 newtons. Because it is already caused 16. If you're applying 20 newtons, it starts moving. If it starts moving, kinetic friction will come into act. So 20 in right side, 12 in left side. The friction is acting as kinetic friction, that is 12 newtons. 20 minus 12 divided by 4, that is 8 by 4, 2 meter per second square is the answer. You're getting these hypothetical questions I'm creating.
Yes, sir.
For NEET examination, in general, they might ask you this graph, this frictional force with respect to applied force, like this. So initially 0, 0. Initially, whatever force you apply, frictional force will be that much, okay? That means y is
Yes,
equal to x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means there's a graph like this. And at static friction, it starts moving, isn't it? At maximum static friction, limiting friction, it starts moving, isn't it? If your force causes
Yes, sir.
this low, then after moving, what will act? Kinetic.
Yes, sir.
Like this graph will happen. Suddenly kinetic friction, it drops, and how much ever force you increase, the friction will remains to be kinetic only. This
Yes, sir.
graph, you make it as 5 star. Should I draw it again?
It's okay, sir. I drew it.
Friction and force. And what is the slope of this graph? Of this straight line? Fs max. Slope. Slope is 1 because y is equal to x, 45 degrees. Exactly 45 degrees it will go. Suppose force is 1 Newton, friction will be 1 Newton.
Okay.
Force is 2 Newton, friction will be 2. Till when it will apply? Till Fs max. The moment it crosses Fs max, what will happen? The force, kinetic friction only will act. That will remain constant throughout the motion. After it exceeds
Yes, sir.
at Fs max. Like Almari question, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes,
5,
sir,
6, 100. After 100, it will act to be kinetic friction.
Yes, sir.
Hope this is clear with you.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
This is a wonderful concept. NEET exam, they'll directly might ask you. General NEET, they will not try to confuse you more. Basic questions they'll
Yes,
ask you is, what is the friction acting here? Or which direction the friction is acting? Or this graph kind of questions.
Yes, sir.
If you want your entire material, I can make you perfect friction. But majority NEET level examinations, these are the basic questions you will be asked.
Okay, sir.
So we'll continue in the next class because this is an important topic. You're liking it or not?
Yes, sir. Very much, sir.
It's confusing, na?
A little bit, but it's nice, sir.
So because I am telling you, Karthik, Hassan,
Yes,
whatever
sir.
number of mistakes I did before I learned all these things.
Yes, sir.
I've done numerous questions wrong before understanding these fundamentals of friction.
Yes, sir.
People will say, isn't it right? Your failures are stepping stones of success. My failure
Yes,
in
sir.
solving number of questions in friction is a result of understanding these tricky things of friction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The success
Yes,
is
sir.
in front of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Hassan. Thank you.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
It will take time, this topic.